This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Craig Taylor, the former model of the hibiscus floor plan from Zuckerman Homes. Professionally decorated 3-bedroom, 3-bath and a den with French door entry. Features include plantation shutters, added crown molding and trim throughout, natural gas, quartz surfaces, all hurricane impact resistant doors/windows to include the fully pocketed lanai sliders. The outdoor kitchen is surrounded by an open brick paver lanai, a comfortable seating area and a gas-heated custom-designed pool/spa. Gated Sienna Reserve features only 45 homes and all are recently built and well-maintained. Located west of I-75 and only 4 miles to the Naples beaches, this community offers low fees, luxury finishes, and a great location. A Tiburon Signature or Medallion membership is available with this residence purchase, if desired. Membership details attached. Laplaya Beach Club membership also available. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Taylor at 239-293-9590.